Todd's telling us we're going to need an umbrella and maybe our rain boots today, too.
Yeah, certainly this morning I think we're going to be dealing with periods of heavy rain for some of you. And you notice that heavy rain is already moving into the western side of the state on TrueView radar. So let's go on a little bit of a tour here this morning and see where the rain's falling the heaviest. And you notice there's a lot of lightning mixed in as well. These yellow flashes of lightning, what you saw, that is the current flashes. So pretty good electrical storm going on. The white lightning bolts are the lightning that has occurred in the last 5 minutes. So this is a pretty active storm system with the heaviest of the rain moving into Spencer, some very heavy rain moving into Martinsville and eventually here into the Bloomington area. Now the good news is the storm is not severe as of right now, but again, lightning makes every thunderstorm dangerous. Some hit or miss showers through Brownsburg up towards the Lebanon area. Then as you work your way westward, heavy rain just to the west of Bainbridge right now, and then some very heavy rain from Veedersburg up to just south of Fowler. This is going to be moving into the Lafayette area, and you're probably going to see some very heavy rainfall within the next 15 to 20 minutes. A little bit of thunder and lightning as well. And these thunderstorms are out ahead of the main batch of what we'll call a light but steady rain that's still across central portions of Illinois. But this is all streaming through Indiana. Now the good news is, as this complex of storms makes its way into the Hoosier state, it's in a weakening state. The heaviest rain, you notice that is pushing down to the south. We're just kind of on the northern fringe of this system, but nonetheless, a very wet morning commute for us here all across the area. So as Beth mentioned, have the rain boots and the umbrella handy throughout the course of the morning. But once this steady rain does go through, on TrueCast, you notice heading into the afternoon, we just kind of get into some spotty showers. We're not going to be dealing with that steady rainfall. So the day's not going to be a complete washout. The morning is certainly more wet here than it will be this afternoon, but our rain chances are not zero heading into the afternoon hours. We'll still want to have that umbrella handy throughout the course of the evening hours. And then once the sun sets, that's when the showers come out of the forecast. Today, there is a slight risk for severe weather across the southern half of the state. General thunderstorm risk for everybody else. And those thunderstorms, as I mentioned, are ongoing as of right now. No rain in downtown Indianapolis yet, but it is heading our way. The temperature is at 72 degrees, and you just saw a little flash of lightning there on the tower cam. The winds out of the south-southwest at 13 miles per hour. If you're getting out on the roadways here this morning, just give yourself a little bit of extra time as this rain starts to move in. Temperature is not an issue. We are in the 70s across the entire state, but there is some cooler air off to our northwest, and that's what starts to work its way in here heading into the overnight hours. So highs today will top off in the upper 70s to right around 80 degrees here in the metro area. Then overnight tonight down into the 60s. The problem overnight tonight into tomorrow morning will be as the skies clear, some patchy dense fog will start to settle in.